And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. It's 8:56 a.m. August 16th in the year of perfect vision. It's been raining off and on since 6 a.m. Oh, beautiful rain. It doesn't rain in California this time of year. It burns. All the senses of the word burn. California burns this time of year. Probably still happening down south. Anyway, last night, 8 o'clock, the swamp cooler died. Started going bang, 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 and it started spitting out pieces of squirrel cage. Well, considering the fact that the swamp cooler was probably mounted, well, I know that it was mounted no later than 1968. The contractor in this county, the one contractor in this county who used pink cement for his slab-on-grade cement, he put roadbed red rock in his cement mix. Anyway, he died in 1968. The front half of the house was the pink cement. The back half of the house had gray. And looking at the swamp cooler, yeah, that's a mid-60s swamp. And the way it spit out those pieces of squirrel cage, it's a 2020s piece of garbage. I'll probably remove the pump, scavenge the brand new pads, just put them in last month. If I'd have known it was going to die like this last night, I wouldn't have had the landlord send the handyman out to fix the slipping belt. But, 2020 hindsight. Anyway, I hear the females moving around and making noise because they know I'm recording. Good night from California.